You tell yourself, this time it'll be different. You make a plan, set goals, watch motivational videos, and still, nothing changes. You slip back into the same habits, same thoughts, same life. Why? Why do most people fail to change, even when they desperately want to? You're not lazy. You're not broken. The problem is, most people try to change their behavior, not their identity. They say, I'll start waking up early, instead of, I'm becoming the kind of person who wakes up early. They chase new results, but live with the same mindset that created the old ones. The illusion of motivation. Motivation is a liar. It makes you feel like you've changed just because you decided to. That dopamine hit of making a plan tricks your brain into thinking the work is already done. Real change starts after motivation dies. That's when discipline begins. Most people fail because they confuse excitement with commitment. Comfort versus growth. Change always feels uncomfortable, and the brain hates discomfort. It's wired for survival, not improvement. That's why when things get hard, your mind whispers, you can do it tomorrow. Every time you choose comfort, you strengthen the old version of yourself. Change isn't about doing more. It's about ending the war between what you want and what you're willing to suffer for. Identity and self-image. You can't act like a new person while thinking like the old one. If deep down, you still believe you're undisciplined or not confident, your mind will sabotage every attempt to prove otherwise. The key isn't to force new habits, it's to become the kind of person who naturally lives by them. Every small win is a vote for that new identity. If this hit you a little too hard, it's probably because deep down, you're ready to evolve. Share with someone who needs to hear this. This is Psych Lens, where we view every aspect of life through the lens of psychology.